Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: age, legal ID, and consistent availability for 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Once done, tailor a one-page resume that highlights night-ready skills, cleaning, cash accuracy, and independent decision-making. Then call the local Freddy's during late afternoon and ask to speak to the manager. Be specific about the graveyard shift you want. Explain why nights suit you, then request an in-person meeting. Make sure to schedule that meeting before you hang up. A firm time seals commitment and moves you forward. You keep momentum by nailing the interview. Arrive early, present references, and speak to night-specific strengths: independence, cleaning discipline, and calm under pressure. Once you discuss scheduling, volunteer a short trial period or a shadow shift. Managers value low-risk hires. Explain how you'll handle peak tasks and safety checks, and describe a simple overnight checklist you'll follow. Make sure to ask about pay differentials, clock-in procedures, and emergency contacts. That clarity builds trust and increases your chance of getting the graveyard slot. You finish by confirming every detail: start date, rate, training days, and who approves the trial. Once agreed, send a concise confirmation email that summarizes terms. This creates a record and prevents miscommunication. If the manager hesitates, propose beginning with weekend nights as a bridge to full graveyard coverage. If you still get denied, ask for specific feedback, address those gaps, and return in 2 weeks. Troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, stay professional, request concrete steps to improve, and follow up promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.